Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to doing an enveloping of what is in this envelope. But wait, obviously if you could tell by the name, from CPA Authentics. Holy shit. What did I get from CPA Authentics? No chit chat, let's open it up and see what I got. And look what I have, and look what it comes with. Handle with care, do not bend. Thank you. So no chit chat. Let's see what's inside. Well, folks, here it is, a Jesse Ventura autograph. And if anybody remembers this scene, if any of you young BUCKSers know about this, this is the scene from Predator in the jungles of Central America, which, of course, lead a team of commandos are rescuing hostages, and then suddenly they're being stalked by this camouflaged alien. So yeah, those who haven't seen it, go get yourself a copy or stream it. But get yourself a copy of the movie, you know, on the 4K set or the Blu-ray set. I mean, get it like that. Seriously. And Jesse Ventura plays the role of Blaine, and he's the hero with the minigun, and he would say, "Payback time." And the line, "Come on out. Old Painless is waiting." He means Painless, the minigun. Badass, dude. Kick-ass mother right there. And lo and behold, y'all, this is Beckett Authenticated. Jesse Ventura. Blaine. Predator. And this dude was the governor, I believe, of Tennessee, if I'm not mistaken. Or was it Kentucky? So those who know him, comments down below. He also, in that same year, 1987, as Predator, The Running Man was released as well. He was in it with Arnold Schwarzenegger in those two films, and would later do other projects in his career, and very, very awesome. Oh no, I got a Jesse Ventura autograph. Too bad he didn't put his character Blaine in it, because, bro, he kicked ass in the film. Too bad he didn't stood a chance against the Predator. Oh, well. Oh, no, man. Great actor, great wrestler, great politician. He was a governor, by the way, of Kentucky or Tennessee. It's Tennessee. So let's give a shout out to CPA Authentics. Give a shout out to the collectors of physical media, autographs, and toy collectors and such. Also, subscribe to my channel to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, to give it a thumbs up. Really appreciate that. And as well as if you have any opinions or anything, comments down below. And also, I'm in the YouTube community so that I post what time I post a video, or a link early. I always put that in the community to notify of anybody to know what time I upload a video, or ready for, or set what time the video begins. So keep an eye on that. Keep an eye out for it. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Catch you on the next vid, and enjoy Wednesday, y'all. Catch you on the next vid. Later, y'all.